Okay, sledding your Schluter drain. Now, I'm using permat to set my mud to, so I'm going to use some scrap pieces to give my idea what the height's going to be. I dry fit the pipe, I pre-cut everything, and what I'm doing, I'm using the foam spacers that come with the Schluter drain, because that's your minimum amount of thickness, which is about 5/8 to 3/4. You can't go wrong with a little bit thicker. I'm about 7/8 to 1 inch, mostly around this whole thing, so roughly around an inch. What I like to do is actually make sure that we're level when we dry fit here. I'm going to take a picture of this, and when I go to glue this drain back in, I'm actually going to put all these things together just like this. That'll allow me to know that I'm exactly level. So I got spaces around where I need to be. I'm dead on level this way, and I'm dead on level that way. So making sure this drain flange is level will ensure that you slope around this whole perimeter and going to the drain here is the same. So doesn't gotta be perfectly level drain, but if it is dead level, even better. So that's how you do this. So this shower is ready for the mud. I got all the permat pre-cut, everything is pre-cut, ready to go. So all I gotta do is mix up some thin set, mix some mud, set my screeds, and mud this shower pan.